Namaste. I'm Dr. Murali Manohar Chirumamilla. This video is all about an important health topic. So please stay tuned until the end.
Green grams. Subject inputs by Dr. Murali Manohar Chirumamilla, MD Ayurveda. Fascinating points. The creeper of green grams spreads on the ground. The leaves grow in a group of 3 leaflets. These are elongated in shape. Flowers are yellowish, which gives rise to the legumes. Each fruit contains around 6 to 12 green grams. The root is thick and fleshy. It is grown in Africa and almost all the parts of India, mainly in the southern parts of the country. It is used in India since ancient times as the ideal diet in health as well as in the diseased states. It is widely used in various diseases such as high fever, liver and spleen enlargement, diarrhea, dysentery, piles, kidney disorders, gynecological diseases, and others as a part of a suitable diet. Green grams are also used in several food recipes such as sweets, laddu, which are served as a special recipe for the festival of Lord Ganpati. It is also cooked as a vegetable or sprouted cooked beans along with the spices. Medicinal uses. Burning sensation. For the burning sensation of eyes and body ache, a poultice of green grams should be applied and a hot infusion should be taken internally. Lactation. The poultice is also effective in enhancing the lactational flow by removing the obstruction and reducing the symptoms of pain and swelling. Insect bite. Juice of the green gram leaves should be applied on an insect bite to prevent the toxic effects of the poison. Itching. Paste of the powder of green grams in water or buttermilk should be applied on the skin and kept for half an hour before bath, and bath should be taken without applying soap. This removes the dirt from the skin and also subsides the burning sensation due to severe itching. Somatic symptoms. A hot infusion of green grams is prepared by soaking the grams in water and cooking it along with salt. This is considered the most suitable diet for all diseases. It is especially used in the diseases like high fever, burning sensation of limbs and eyes, hyperacidity, and dryness of the throat. Dysuria. For burning micturition, painful micturition, infected urine, and frequent micturition, hot infusion of green grams should be taken in profuse amount along with cardamom and salt to enhance the production and excretion of urine. Excessive bleeding. The cooked green grams along with the chapati, bread, made from wheat flour, ghee, and paste of embolic myrobalan serve as an ideal diet during excessive bleeding in menstrual periods, epistaxis, and piles. Obesity. Very obese persons should remain on the diet of hot infusion of green grams and chapati made from ragi for at least 6 months to reduce weight. Dandruff. Prepare a hair pack by mixing green gram powder and water. Apply this hair pack to your scalp and helps to prevent dandruff. Green gram also helps to make your hair shine and strength. Intradermal and subcutaneous bleeding. For mild cases of intradermal and subcutaneous bleeding, especially for athletes, the recipe prepared by frying the green grams in ghee and making small balls after adding sugar, laddu, should be consumed. For these symptoms, 30 to 40 grams of sprouted beans can also be consumed. Allergic conjunctivitis. Persons who suffer from excessive strain to the eyes due to working on computers, reading and writing for long periods, etc., suffer from various symptoms such as redness, burning sensation, and pain in the eyes. Some persons tend increasing myopia. These people should include green grams in their daily diet. Diarrhea. In diarrhea, a hot infusion of green grams should be taken along with coriander leaves and fennel seeds to prevent dehydration. Jaundice. In jaundice, the ideal diet, which promotes the rejuvenation of liver cells, is the khichdi prepared from green grams at least for 3 weeks. It can also be given in liver and spleen enlargement and fistula. Acne. Green gram powder contains cleansing properties that help to relieve acne effectively. Take 2 teaspoons of green gram powder, lemon juice mix well, and apply this pack gently on the inflamed area of your skin. It prevents skin pores and keeps your skin clean and oily. Hair fall. Green gram effectively promotes hair growth and prevents hair fall. Prepare a hair pack by taking green gram powder and mix with water or rose water, curd, etc. and applying this pack on the root of the hair helps to increase hair growth. Note: there are various types of grams, such as green grams, black grams, yellow grams, etc., out of which green grams are very useful in weight reduction and also have many other medicinal uses. Since green grams are considered very easy to digest, green grams can be given to all the patients till the disease subsides. A word of caution: if consumed in excess, green grams cause constipation. These should not be taken with milk or honey, else it acts as incompatible food and exerts mild toxic effects on the body.
Feeling great for your interest. I am signing off for now. In the next video, I will meet you with another topic. For more interesting videos like this, please subscribe this channel and click the bell button. Shatam Jiva, Sarado Vardhamanaha. Shatam Hemantan, Shatam Vasantan. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay safe, be positive and keep smiling. Love you all. Subham.
Dr. Chirumamilla Murali Manohar, MD Ayurveda, Raksha Ayurvedalaya, plot number 13, Ramurthy Nagar, CBCID Colony, Hyder Nagar, Hyderabad 5,85,000, Telangana State, India. Landmark, Kukatpalli area, Metro Train pillar number A663. Email, muralimanohar2008@gmail.com. Website address www.muralimanohar.com. Phone numbers 9246575510, 9177445454.